Let's take a look on the military park in Luok. It is a gift of the Marines for the people of Sulu.
Yeah. Yusra, look at mommy. Hi. Assalamualaikum. Say assalamualaikum. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Now, my husband will tour me around, and of course, I want to share with you the beautiful sceneries here in Sulu province, hoping that you will enjoy watching this video too. And also, I want to grab this opportunity to spend quality time with Yusra even just for a couple of days. This is the journey of a working mom, so let's enjoy and cherish the moments together.
The goat. That is the roaster. That is the tugtuga. Oh. Oh.
Not
Po.
the restaurant.
Ha?
Yeah.
Oh. Paano kami? Papunta sa Tiangge? Oo, kukuha ng ticket. Oh, babalik. Consume, na ako. Oh, pabalik ako ng Zamboanga. Pero mamaya gabi, balik kami mari. Okay, masalamat. Dog.
Mommy.
Mm.
Oh,
So, ito yung that is the coffee.
No. Oh.
Come.
What's the street?
Now let's go to Tandubatu, one of the barangays in Luok. Officially, Luok is a municipality in the province of Sulu. It is politically subdivided into 12 barangays, and it is well maintained by their very good leaders, the Arbisons. So let's take a look and enjoy the scenery along the way.
Multi-purpose.
Napakaganda ng tanawin along the way, di ba? Ang sarap mamuhay sa probinsya. Simpleng buhay sa bukid, yan ang pangarap ko siguro pag meron na akong malit na tindahan na kayang isustain ang basic needs ng mga anak ko, pipiliin ko ang mamuhay sa probinsya, inshallah. If you wanna visit Sulu, you can contact the tourism office of the Sulu province so that they can provide you the best experience on your staycation. Also, there's a tour guide who will assist you for a safe and enjoyable journey here in Sulu. All you have to do is to follow the guidelines given to you by the tour guide. Moreover, since this is a Muslim place, avoid wearing shorts and skimpy clothes as respect to the people in the community. Now we are approaching the military park here in Looc, Sulu. This recreation facility was a project of the 4th Marine Brigade and Arbison's office. The park features a monument in honor of Filipino soldiers and Lupasug warriors who gave the ultimate sacrifice for the peace and prosperity of Sulu. It also features military relics, dioramas of civil military activities significant to the people and the land, as well as their continued quest for lasting peace and development. The Luok Park also memorializes the civil-military initiatives by the armed forces of the Philippines in Sulu, such as the Bike for Peace.
Mommy,
Hmm?
what are you doing?
I'm taking video. The history of the unknown Filipino soldier and Lupasug warrior. Yeah, these are the history.